Would you describe yourself as super organized?
Would I describe myself? No.
Okay. 3 things super organized people do at home that you don't.
Okay, let's get into the organizational
Number
shaming.
1, they have a system for incoming paper and mail.
I have a system for that too. It's, what am I going to do with put it on the table and deal with it later.
You know, here's my system. The mail comes in the package.
Yeah.
Trash, trash, trash.
You don't even
junk,
open them?
Keep that, trash. No.
Nah.
Right in the recycle bin.
Okay, that's a good system.
Number 2, they have a system for not quite dirty clothes.
Oh, really? They do? Because my system for not quite dirty clothes is just laying it kind of in and out of the hamper. Just
How long do you have to wear something before you have deemed it dirty enough to be washed?
The whole day. If I wear something like 3 p.m. on and I don't get any food on it, chances are I'm just draping that over the clothes rack.
What if you spill coffee on yourself
Dirty.
at 4 p.m.?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you change your shirt.
Yeah.
And then you go take a shower at 7 p.m. and then go to bed.
Totally
Are
fine.
you going to
clean.
wear that clothes again?
Absolutely clean. If they're jeans, absolutely, 100%.
And they have a daily routine to clear their most common surfaces. To clean them.
Okay. So,
They clean them
admittedly,
off, clear them off.
I do not usually scrub down my surfaces any more than maybe once a week.
Do you have clutter, or is your kitchen countertop, is it organized?
Clutter.
That's why you're not organized. More info on the 3 things super organized people do that you don't do
More
at home
systems and more routines.
right now. YesFM Facebook, YesFM.com, and Twitter.